You may be interested to know that your vehicle may be equipped with a feature to enhance its performance when driven on hilly and mountainous roads. Let me explain. It's called Sport Mode, and when activated, the transmission extends the duration between shifts of the lower gears. So the engine stays in the sweet spot of the engine's RPM power band for a more spirited throttle response. So, instead of constant up and down gear shifts, the transmission holds a specific gear longer for peak performance when driving on twisty, rolling roads with a steep grade. To activate Sport Mode, press the button on the end of the gear shift lever twice, here. Or here if you have a center console shifter. The Sport indicator light will illuminate in the instrument display, letting you know it's activated. To deactivate, press the button again one time. The indicator light will turn off and return you back to normal driving mode. The vehicle may have a convenient feature that helps make getting items from the truck box easier from the side. It's called the box side step. Let me show you how it works. To extend the step from its stowed position, simply press down on the release with your foot, here. To help avoid injury, the box step has a slow release that prevents the step from springing out too quickly. To stow it, push the step in on either side of the button until it fully latches into position. Keep in mind, if dirt, snow, or ice collects in the step, it may prevent it from opening when you press the button. If this happens, just rinse it with water. Your vehicle may have a feature that gives you a complete view all around it. Let me explain. The 360-degree camera with split view display uses cameras mounted in the front grille, tailgate handle, and side view mirrors to give you a continuous view of everything around you. When you shift into reverse, the camera automatically shows you a 360-degree view on the right side of the screen, as well as a rear view on the left side of the screen. When looking at the 360-degree view, you'll see dotted yellow lines on each side of the vehicle. These represent the keep out zone and let you know where the edges of your mirror are in relation to what you're seeing in the camera image. Green, yellow, or red highlights show up wherever the closest object detected is when you're in reverse. There's also a small white car icon in the upper left corner of your touchscreen. It lets you know which camera view is being used. For example, 360 view, split view, etc. The icon highlights will change as you switch from one view to another. You can change the camera view you see using the camera button on the dash, above the display screen. Push it once for a full rear view. Here, you'll also see the park distance control alert in the upper right corner. Press it again for a split view of what's behind you. Split view will allow you to see cross traffic, or cars coming from either side, and that can be helpful when you're backing out of a parking space. When you shift into drive, you'll have to push the camera button for a front view, as it doesn't automatically come on. When you do, it will show a split screen with a 360-degree image on the right side of the screen and a normal front view on the left side. Press it again for a normal front view, and once again for a front split view. When in reverse, you can change the camera view you see by using the camera button on the dash above the screen and pushing it until you get the view you want. Keep in mind, the change camera view function only works when you're driving forward at 6 miles per hour or below for safety purposes. And when in reverse, you can use the zoom button on the touchscreen to get a closer view of what's behind your vehicle. Your vehicle may have some convenient features that make connecting a trailer and towing it simple. Let me explain. For starters, your vehicle has a high-strength steel frame with enhanced stiffness and durability to help control your trailer. It also has something called the Smart Trailer Tow Connector. You can access it under the Towing tab in the 8-inch productivity screen. It provides you with trailer connection status, along with lighting and trailer battery alerts and warnings. You can also see your towing status, as well as towing information, like whether or not your trailer is connected and a connection checklist. You can also access gain, pitch, steering angle, and trailer information for up to 10 trailers under the Towing tab. In addition, your rear view camera has an enhancement that shows you an image of what's directly behind your vehicle. It's called Dynamic Hitch Assist, and it has guidelines that can help you line up your trailer when you're connecting it. The image appears in your center display to help you maneuver when you're in reverse and to help you accurately connect to your trailer without help. Now let me tell you about some of the other trailering technology. A factory-installed integrated trailer brake controller synchronizes your truck brakes with the electric brakes on your trailer for smoother and more effective braking. There's also a tow haul mode feature, which enhances control when hauling a trailer up and down steep grades, and augments transmission operation when towing a heavy load. To turn it on, simply press the button located on your gear shift lever. You'll know it's on when you see it illuminated in your instrument cluster. Trailer sway control works in conjunction with the roll stability control system to determine if your trailer is swaying and gradually applies your brakes and, if necessary, reduces your engine power. Trailer tow mirrors are also available to help improve rear visibility when towing large trailers. Did you know your vehicle may be equipped with a convenient feature that helps make maneuvering a trailer in reverse easy? It's called Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Let me tell you about it. Whether you're backing a trailer into a job site or launching a boat, if you can turn a knob, you can now back up your trailer with ease. Which means whichever direction you want your trailer to go, just turn the knob in that direction and the system will take over the steering, instead of having to turn the wheel in the opposite direction. To use it, press the center button on the Pro Trailer Backup Assist knob. A list of available trailers will appear. Choose the one you want, and the Pro Trailer Backup Assist will attempt to locate it. Once the targeting sticker is located by the rearview camera, the screen will prompt you to shift into reverse to activate it. Then follow the prompts displayed on the information screen. With your hands off the steering wheel, use the Pro Trailer Backup Assist knob to steer the trailer. Turn the knob left or counterclockwise when you want the rear of the trailer to go to the left, and right, clockwise, to go right. You should also make it a habit to use your side view mirrors as your primary visual aid while maneuvering the trailer. Once the trailer is moving in the direction you want, release the knob. Keep in mind, you may need to make small adjustments with the knob to keep the trailer moving along the desired path. As soon as the knob is either released or turned back to the center position, the vehicle will follow the trailer's path. Did you know that you can open your tailgate without using your hands? Let me explain. Push the tailgate release button on your remote 2 times. The tailgate is dampened, which reduces the speed that the tailgate lowers. So don't worry, it'll gradually come down to a flat position without slamming. To close the tailgate, push it up with both hands. You can also lock and unlock the tailgate using the lock or unlock buttons on your remote. For your convenience, your vehicle may have an integrated tailgate step and grab bar that can be helpful when climbing into the bed of your truck. Let me tell you about it. To use the step, first lower the tailgate. Then press the black release button in the center of the step molding, here. The step will pop out a little, so just pull it all of the way until it gently falls into a lowered position. Next, grab the yellow bar top to the left of the step. Pull until the black bar is fully extended, and lift it up until it's locked into place. Then pull the chrome interior bar all of the way up. You'll know the bar is fully extended when you hear a click. The bar can be used as a grab handle to help pull yourself up into the truck bed. When you're ready to fold up the step, press the yellow number 1 button on the extender bar and guide it down with your hand to allow it to lower into the black bar. Now, press the yellow number 2 button at the base of the bar, here. Fold the bar toward you and push it back into the tailgate. Finally, lift the step up until it's horizontal and push it back into the tailgate until it clicks. Oh, one more thing. Unlike previous models, the tailgate handle is stored within the tailgate itself, so it's flush to the surface and nothing is sticking out. Your vehicle has an available feature that's designed to help reduce fuel consumption and the amount of emissions. It's called Auto Start Stop. Here's how it works. Auto Start Stop automatically turns on at startup unless you decided to turn it off using the on-off button located on the center console, here. You'll know it's activated when you see the Start Stop icon illuminated in your instrument cluster. When you put your foot on the brake and come to a full stop, like at a red light, your engine shuts off. You might not even notice it. But a light on the instrument cluster will let you know the engine is off. But don't worry, your climate control settings, radio, and headlamps will function normally. And when you take your foot off the brake pedal, your car automatically restarts, without any delay. Here are a few things you should know. Auto Start Stop will not shut your engine off at every stop if the engine is still warming up, if the outside temperature is too hot or too cold, or if the heat and air conditioning is in high use. So, if your AC's on because it's hot outside, your engine may keep running. It may also restart while stopped to maintain interior comfort or to recharge the battery. Also, if you're towing a trailer or using the 4-high or 4-low feature of the 4-wheel drive system, the start-stop feature automatically shuts off and will turn on again once you disable those features. You can also use the 5-way switch located on your steering wheel to get to the information on demand screen, which tells you if your engine is off or why it's still running. Oh, and one more thing. Your vehicle is equipped with a heavy-duty starter and battery to compensate for the increased number of starts and stops.